Hi there, everyone. Welcome to Payroll 2021 in Excel. It's December 30th. We're almost 2021, and let's talk about Montana today. We're doing all 50 states in this Excel file. If you want one for your small business, contact me. Follow the links below. It's the coolest payroll file on the face of the universe. That's what it is. So let's talk about Montana. I like Montana because it's pretty quick and easy. And you can get it in the formula in just a couple columns, and I'll show you that in a second. So what you're going to need is your employee is going to fill out a MW4 form. And this is similar to what you think of when you think of a W4 form, or employees figuring out how many allowances they have. And there's going to be a total down here in the response to G, item G here, which is how many allowances is it. Well, once you get the total number of allowances, that's what's going to go right here. 1, 2, 3, whatever, however many it is, next to your employee's name. I don't think there are any local tax rates that apply in Montana. I'm not certain of that. If there are, let me know, but I don't have any locals. You don't need to grab any other information. You don't need to put a state filing status or anything. The rest of this is just federal employee information from their federal W-4. So Montana is really pretty quick and easy with just the allowances from the MW-4. Then when you're calculating the formula, the quickest way to do it is to annualize your wages. So whatever the gross wages, the gross pay is for the period. This is a weekly version that we're looking at right now. Whatever the amount is, you're going to multiply by the number of pay periods in the year to get an annual estimate of what the wages are. And then you're going to subtract out those allowances that you found on that line G of the form MW4. That allowance amount, which is $1,900, that's what it is. I don't believe it's changing. It looks like it's standard. It might change. If it does, we'll update it to maybe 2000 or 1950 or whatever it goes up to. But based on what's been released effective 2019, I don't think Montana's updating for 2021. That should be it. So you're going to multiply that by the number of allowances that they answered on their MW4 and reduce their annualized income that you've created, reduce it by that amount. And that's what that formula does. And then you just have this pretty easy formula. They do a good job of, oops, that's the allowance sheet. They do a good job here of itemizing out how to do the formula as an annualized payer, which is what you're doing here. It's just these rates right here. If it's below 7,000, do this, 15,000, do this, 120,000, do this, and 120,000 and over, do that. That formula is right here. You don't have to worry about any filing statuses or anything. So you run that formula right in there, a bunch of nested ifs, and you're going to be able to divide it by the number of pay periods, and there you have your taxable withholding for Montana. And you've got pay stubs here. You can just run around and change dates on pay stubs, and everything's just going to change. You also have reports here. You can choose Montana. You're going to see quarterly reports about withholding amounts. 940s, 940s, a whole bunch of other stuff that I won't go into because we're really just going to focus on Montana for now. But that is Montana effective 2019. Looks like it's going to be the same going into 2021. So just get those W-4s filled out. And that's, I like everybody I've ever met from Montana is great people. And I haven't been there in years. I did a drive from Spokane through like Butte and Bozeman, and I think it was a Moose Jaw or something in there. It was good times. I'd like to check out more of the state, and I will do that when the weather gets nicer. So anyway, Montana's done. Still have like 19 to go. It's a hackathon tonight. We're going we're going full steam until we get all these done. So that's Payroll 2021 in Excel. Payroll should be easy, so make it so.